Hey YouTube, it's Erin, the handbag housewife, and I'm back to do another unboxing on this fabulous Friday. Now this bag came from all the way across the pond from the UK, and I got it through Vestiaire Collective. It went through their authentication process just like my green one did. And so without further ado, I'm going to tear into this bag. I am so stinking excited. The way they do their boxes, if you just pull up from the bottom, you don't even need a box cutter to get in, which is slightly concerning, but so far it's turned out pretty well for me. All right. That was my receipt that just popped out, but there's the bag. All right. Now this one doesn't have that control tag on the outside like my green one did, which is interesting. Maybe it's on the bag. I think actually it was on the bag on the other one, but it was just sort of hanging out. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Oh my goodness. Something else is in there. I don't even know what it is. I can feel it though. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's the chain. I forgot. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh. Kind of smells a little like leather. That's good. Oh, I really love it. Oh my gosh. I didn't buy this initially. Actually, I bought this and then I contacted the seller and canceled, and I got the green snake one from the same seller instead. And once I got the green snake one and realized that it was authentic and it was amazing, then I contacted her again because she still had not relisted this bag. It just showed as sold. So I contacted her again and said, hey, did you sell that bag? And she said, no. So I said, well, if you relist it, I would love to buy it. And so that's how that all happened. This bag is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. I'm going to do the Autumn Beckman spin. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Sorry, I don't think I can put music in. So I made my own music. What do we think, guys? Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the chain. I got a separate dust bag for the chain. This is substantial. I'm kind of excited because you know I love my chains, and this is not long enough to do anything but use it as a top handle, but it might be long enough to do something with on my other bags. Ooh, yes. It's better than I thought, guys. Oh my gosh. Look. It's diamond cut. It did not look that pretty in the picture. How often do you say that? It didn't look as good in the picture? I never say that. It always looks better in the picture. All right, let me see. I'm going to put it on. I have goosebumps. Oh my gosh. I was going to take a nap after this because it's Friday and we don't have anything going on. And I was just going to take a nap because I just got back from a long drive to Kansas City. And I don't think that I'm going to be able to sleep now because I'm just too excited. Now this is interesting. It's definitely new and it definitely smells like leather. But it's black on the inside, which I'm kind of surprised. But it does have this sort of a diamond pattern inside, like some of the other kind of exotic stamped bags have had. But anyway, there she is. I don't even need this tag. I know I'm going to cut it off. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so I did want to show you this bag, which is in platinum, and it's like halfway between gold and silver, and compare it to the gold Willa. See, they're pretty close. Now in person, I can see that the gold Willa has a little bit more, almost of a pinkish tone. It's not rose gold or anything, but it's just a hint more yellow too. This is just borderline silver, but it's not. It's like pearl mixed with silver and gold. Now here is my silver pillow tabby. You see what I mean? Now it looks almost like this is in candlelight. Oh, I love it. I'm so glad I got it. I thought I don't need another metallic bag. It's going to be the same thing I already have. Don't buy it, Erin. Don't get it. And I'm so glad I got it because look at it. It is so stinking beautiful. Yay! Okay, well, I hope you're all having a fantastic Friday, and I will talk again with you real soon. I have some exciting stuff in store for you. Take care and have a great day. And please like and subscribe to my channel. I would really, 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 really appreciate it. Thanks a bunch.